Hey guys, good morning, good evening. As you all know, why I created this channel, why I created these stream. These stream are for helping others to get the job. Why I'm doing this? Because I always wanted to do this. Now I have broken my comfort zone to actually start this startup. And who am I? I'm a software architect having more than 15 years of experience. I'm working in software industry. I've been working with software industry from last 15 years as a software developer, tech lead, senior software developer, and ultimately architect. Currently, I'm working as an architect in a software company, and this is what I have been doing currently. But my aim is to create 10,000 jobs in India, and for absolutely free. There will be no charges, nothing. Only you know it will be completely free. That is why I want to do it. I want to create 10 lakhs jobs on my own for absolutely free, and for that we will have to train people. We will have to generate these jobs in India in software industry, and especially in AI, because AI is the new thing. Not the new thing now, but it is going to transform and it is going to disrupt almost all the fields. So if you're not AI ready, then you should be, because all the jobs will be affected by AI in future. And that is why this initiative also, so that we can create 10 lakh jobs in India on our own. And we are going to train people on different technology, including the basic software architecture, the technology stacks including Java and other front-end technologies, back-end technologies, DevOps, and overall SDLC, how things happen. And we will provide the real projects for all our trainees. They will be working for uh, you know a good amount of time. They will be spending on doing the real project. So that is the idea behind creating these you know uh, free batches. We are going to create free batches. I think within a month I'll try to create it. Apart from that, yeah, financially I'll, because we will have to you know get this training done by professionals only, no faculties, nothing. And the cost of training will be higher for us, and that is why we'll have to generate the money through other mediums also, maybe providing, maybe by by some paid batches. There will be some extra services in the paid batches for sure, otherwise nobody will take it, right? And apart from that, everything else will be same for free batches also. So mostly it will not be anything what is taught in the colleges or normal professional institutes. It will be totally industry driven, and not just by saying but by implementing, because I'm a software architect, and that is why I want to do it. I know what kind of education we get generally in normal institute. I have been there. I have, when I was searching for my first job, I did many courses and still I did not get any job from them. Then I prepared on my own and got my first job after about 6 months. I rigorously I prepared for um, a few technologies, and then I got my first job. So it's not that easy, and it's not that difficult also to get the job. If you find the right path, right technology stack, then you should be on the right path. But nowadays companies are not asking vanilla technology, they are asking more the overall knowledge in different variety of technology stacks. Because generally now they are not working in any simple, even a simpler project will contain many different technology APIs, and they will have to work with variety of technologies. So they are not looking for particular uh, expertise in a particular technology. They are looking for people who know many different things, many different technology stack, including AI nowadays. You should be AI ready also, so that you can utilize at least many different tools for your development speed and efficiency. Definitely AIs are not that mature that they can create everything on its own. You will have to be intelligent enough to generate that specific scenario through prompts, and you should also understand what you are getting out of the AI result. Because if you try to use blindly, then it is going to break sooner or later, and it when it breaks, it will be huge. You will not be able to mostly quick fix it. You'll have to spend hours and hours and days of just fixing it. So blindly using AI is very dangerous, according to, if especially if you are working with bigger team, uh, big project. So that's the mistake that people do generally, especially fresher. They will blindly search everything on the AI tools and copy paste everything on the real project. That should not never be done, because AIs are not that mature. They will give you good quality code only smaller bits and pieces. They will not give you entire code. And if you have to generate entire code, not entire code, even for 5 classes, let's say, for example, you will have to write a lot of prompts. You will have to provide a lot of boundaries, specifications, and that's not always a good idea. Somewhat it can be, that's why you have to learn both the things. You have to be good with the technology stack, and you also should be good with the AI, um, basic technology, how it works, and deep dive. You have to understand what is really happening if you are trying to apply any AI, and specifically ML, any of the ML technology. So AI and ML is going to disrupt and change most of the things. If we are not learning it, then we will be left behind for sure. Because next thing is AI automation. Automation will automate, highly automate most of the things, especially if it is uh, skill based. You know, if it is any skill based, technology based skill, so it is going to disrupt almost all the technology stack. So that is why you should learn AI also, apart from the basic vanilla technologies. And that is my aim. I have to create these 10 lakh jobs absolutely for free, and I have experience. I have near about 15 years of experience working in different technology stack, including Java, microservices, Kafka, AWS, and many other technology stack, including AI also. Recently, I've been working with AI also, learning AI and implementing in real projects, some of the real project that we have created. And that is why I want to leverage this knowledge of mine to generate 10 lakh jobs in India absolutely for free. No, nothing will be asked, no money will be asked ever. And we are going to generate free batches. So if you are interested, just let us know. We will put you in some of the batches that we are going to create for absolutely free. For monetary aspect, definitely we will have to generate some money apart from these free operations. We'll have to generate, because when we provide the free training, we will have to hire the best people, industry people only. And for supporting their financial need, we will have to also generate some financial, um, you know finance. So that is only possible when we create some other mediums also. Definitely nothing will be asked, no money will be asked from these batches or these students ever. We will try to generate money through other mediums. Maybe we will create some parallel paid batches where some of the service will be different, otherwise everything will be kind of similar, because otherwise nobody will join paid batches, right? And we will not be able to sustain this kind of arrangement. So that is the idea. If we have to generate these 10 lakhs of, definitely we'll have to support by other way of generating our finances. Okay, so AI is what we should really learn. I already moved to AI long back. Earlier, I was working with vanilla technology, developing different software for different companies, some banking domain companies, some e-commerce companies, some configuration domain companies, and many retail companies also I worked with. So I also worked with some of the product development company, and that's, if you're here watching this stream, just put your comment in the chat. Um, I'll try to talk to you. I'll try to consult you for free, absolutely free. Just put your message in the chat box, um, and we can connect. We can talk over the call also, over the mobile. What I want to do is I want to kind of create podcast kind of discussion over this stream, so that I know uh, people better, where they are stuck, how, why they are not getting job, why they are not getting, uh, even if they are getting some of the call, why they are not able to clear the interview. All the challenges and problem, we'll figure it out, because I also done training for almost 4 to 5 years in my one of the part-time job I'm working as a full-timer in one of the software company. And apart from that, I am also working part-time for training people in for specifically for US region. So this company is training people in US region, so we have to work closely with them, especially almost all will be from US only. So if you are interested, uh, we have this kind of exposure, we have experience, we are, you know, good with most of the technologies. We are going to train you no matter what. If you're ready, just put your comment in the chat box and we'll try to contact to you. This is how we are going to connect with people who are in need, who are you know, seriously looking for um, some of the option to get the job. You know, they are looking for real professionals, real experienced professionals. So this is one of the way. If you are interested, just uh, put your comment in the chat box, and I'll try to connect with you. Okay, all right. I think I'll be doing this kind of a stream every day, either not every day, but every alternative day. I'll try to create this stream, either the stream or the I'll post the short videos. So this is what I want to do in future, in near future only. I'll try to create as many batches as possible for generating 10 lakh jobs, right? This is the main aim that I have. So if you're interested, just try to connect with me, try to contact with me, and I'll try to help you as much as I can. um, in one of the short video, I have also given my personal number. You can connect with me there also. You can contact me through WhatsApp messages. That is the best way to reach out to me. And yeah, who makes me eligible for this kind of initiative is, uh, it is entirely my desire to create these many jobs. First, second is I have experience more than 15 years of in real software companies. Third is I also have experience in training people. That is part-time experience, but that is very important experience, as the exposure is in US companies, not US companies, but we train US citizens and we place them in US companies, including Apple. Some of the guys, three, four guys are also working in Apple, Amazon, and many different other companies that I cannot really name here. But yeah, I can train you if you're ready. Then I can train you for real software companies. You will get the job for sure if you work hard. It is all about moving into the right direction with the right guidance. So if you have the right amount of guts to prepare for um, the toughest interview here, then you can crack. I think you will be ready. We will prepare you, but you should be ready. All right guys, I'll cut it short a little bit because it is already too late. I was busy doing something else. um if you're watching it lately, just try to put the message in the chat box or try to connect with me and I'll try to help you. I'll try to put you in the batches, 3 batches that we are trying to create. All right, see you guys, take care, good night.